going on, team? Happy freaking Tuesday. Okay, so your exercise of the week is a plank hip twist. All right, so that's a lot of words, but essentially what it is you are in a plank and then you're going to be rocking your hips back and forth. Now, the reason why we want to do this is because that targets your abs, right? It targets your obliques with that twisting motion. So it's just a different exercise to target your obliques. All right. And here's how you do it. So you get into a plank. All right. So I like to do these on my elbows just because the distance on my hands and hips to the ground is just, it's too far. All right. And so what I do is elbows are on the ground. All right. And then you're going to rock your hips back and forth. Okay. So your feet stay together and you're dropping your pocket to the ground. Drop your pocket to the ground and back up, back into that plank. So the entire time, keep that core nice and tight. Push your elbows into the ground so you're not sinking down. Push your elbows into the ground, pick your back up, keep that strong core, drop your pockets to the ground. All right, so that is your exercise of the week. If you have any other exercises that you want me to coach you up on or break down for you, put it down in the comments and I'll add it to the list. Other than that, go win.